Welcome. This is the Zero Code Mindfulness App Playbook. How to build and launch a competitive meditation app in a single weekend using nothing but AI. I'm William Braddock with the Ask the Goals AI coaching agency, and over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact stack, workflow, and launch strategy that makes this possible today. Let's start with the market reality. On one side, you have the giants, Calm and Headspace, serving a broad, general audience backed by massive funding. That space is closed. But on the other side is the open frontier. Veterans, executives, chronic pain sufferers, children, and dozens of other underserved communities. A focused meditation app that serves one community deeply will outperform a broad competitor that serves everyone generally. And AI is what gives solo founders the leverage to finally capture this long tail. Here's the complete stack. 3 tiers of AI and no-code tools. Tier 1, the front-end UI. Midjourney for background imagery, Figma for AI-assisted auto-layout design. Tier 2, the content engine. Claude for meditation scripting, 11 Labs for voice synthesis, and Audacity for the ambient audio mix. Tier 3, the backend and logic. ChatGPT for schema and gamification with Bubble or Adalo as your app builder and database. Zero code required. These 7 AI tools replace a product manager, a UX designer, a copywriter, a voice actor, and a full-stack developer. Phase 1 is strategy and niche. It's a 4-step loop. Start with AI mapping. Prompt ChatGPT for the top 5 underserved needs of your specific audience. Move to community research, gathering signal from Reddit, App Store reviews, and YouTube comments. Then do a gap analysis, identifying the loudest complaints about existing market leaders. That directly feeds your feature roadmap. You're building the exact 5 things leading apps do wrong. Remember this, your audience's complaints about existing apps are your feature roadmap. Phase 2 is the platform diagnostic, choosing between Bubble and Adalo. Bubble is complex, data-driven, and highly scalable, with AI Assist for rapid database schema scaffolding around users, sessions, and streaks. It's the best pick for feature-rich, long-term plays. Adalo is simpler, faster, and built for rapid deployment at $50 a month. It's the best pick for limited feature sets and minimum viable products. Pro tip: use Bubble's AI Assist to map your database schema from a simple text prompt. It reduces setup time from days to hours. Phases 3 and 4 are the content assembly line, and this is where the weekend magic happens. ChatGPT handles topic ideation, breath awareness, body scan, morning energy. Claude generates the scripts, 10-minute scans with an inclusive tone and breathing cues built in. 11 Labs synthesizes the voice, using Freya or Charlotte for warm, gentle pacing. Then Audacity or Descript handles the final mix, layering binaural beats or nature sounds underneath. Export as MP3. With this pipeline, you can batch produce a complete 30-session foundational meditation library in a single weekend. Phase 5 is UI and UX design. Mindfulness apps follow a very specific visual language, and you need to honor it. Soft gradients and generous white space, serif or rounded sans serif typography, a palette anchored in ethereal blues, deep purples, or earthy tones. For imagery, prompt Midjourney with something like serene mountain lake at sunrise, soft morning mist, pastel color palette, photorealistic, high resolution, suitable for mobile app background. Then transfer your Figma design directly into Bubble. Phase 6 is habit mechanics. This is what separates apps that get downloaded from apps that get used. Build around the 4-part loop. 1. A trigger, a gentle re-engagement notification when the user has missed 2 days. 2. The action, completing a daily audio session.
3. The reward, with milestone celebrations at day 7, day 21, and day 66. 4. Investment, a visual progress dashboard showing total sessions and a streak counter. Apps with well-designed habit mechanics see 40 to 60% better 30-day retention. This loop is non-negotiable.
Phase 7, Part 1. Launch and monetize. First, the App Store tolls. $99 a year for an Apple developer account and a one-time $25 fee for Google Play. Cheap at the price. Then your freemium funnel. 5 free sessions as the hook, RevenueCat managing cross-platform subscriptions as your conversion mechanism, and the subscription unlock at $9.99 a month or $59.99 a year. This is the standard battle-tested pricing model for the category.
Phase 7. Targeted growth. This is where most solo founders waste their budget. The trap is the generic influencer. 500,000 followers, low alignment, expensive, and poor conversion. The playbook is the targeted niche affiliate. 10,000 followers, deep alignment with your specific community, a revenue share model, and high conversion. A well-targeted affiliate with 10,000 followers in your specific niche will drastically outperform a broad lifestyle influencer with 500,000 followers. Specificity wins every time. Here's how it all maps onto a 48-hour weekend build. Hours 1 through 4, AI niche mapping and database scaffolding in Bubble. Hours 5 through 24, the content sprint, generating 30 scripts via Claude and batch exporting MP3s through 11 Labs. Hours 25 through 36, asset and UI design, mid-journey generation and Figma to bubble mapping. Hours 37 through 48, logic and launch, programming streak logic, integrating RevenueCat, and submitting to the App Store. The barrier to entry is no longer capital or code. It is simply execution. You have the vision, AI gives you the leverage. We make it reality. Ready to map out your specific AI app project? Whether it's a specialized meditation app or an adjacent wellness category like recipe planning, the playbook is ready. Scan the code or reach out to book a free 30-minute strategic consult with me, William Braddock, at Ask the Goals Coach AI Coaching Agency. You can reach us at info@askthegoalscoach.com or by phone at 1-808-450-0150. Thanks for watching, and let's build something real.